Hello, this video is about how to pronounce the diphthong phoneme I. So you can hear this in words like time, fly, why, and sky. So how do we make this sound? So what you do is you pronounce the word, you say the sound ah, as in cat, and then you glide really smoothly to the sound I in bits. So you raise your tongue up. So it's going I, I, as in time. So sometimes people who are trying to make this sound, they don't pronounce it enough. So they emphasize the ah and not the I. So it can sound a bit like time instead of time. So it's a really smooth glide. And sometimes some people overemphasize the second part. So time is not quite right either. It needs to be an equal sound, gliding really smoothly from ah to e. So time, why, sky. Why not try this sentence? I might try to fly high tonight. Can you say that? I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.